Hi, it's Stuart here from Howard's in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Tucson 1.6 GDI Blue Drive SE. This is a two-wheel drive 6-speed manual, registered 2017 on a 17 plate, one owner from new. It has the remainder of the 5 years manufacturer's warranty on it, and it's done just under 14,300 miles. So I hope you enjoy the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a Hyundai Tucson 1.6 GDI Blue Drive SE. This is a two-wheel drive version in 5-door form with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Registered 2017 on a 17 plate, done just under 14,300 miles, and again it has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. Now if you'd like to pop down and see the car, we're on London Road in Dorchester, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.